Hello, my YouTube family. How are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back to Fashion Forward. Today we bring you an exclusive deep dive into the world of women's footwear trends for 2025. Whether you are a fan of sleek stiletto heels, chic moles, or trendy sandals, this is your go-to guide for everything you need to know about the latest designs, styles, and most have pieces. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's explore the captivating world of high fashion footwear. Let's start with the timeless classic stiletto heels. Known for their elegance and power, stilettos have evolved significantly over the years. In 2025, designers are redefining these iconic shoes by introducing innovative materials, bold colors, and sustainable practice. Bold and vibrant colors, bright shades like electric blue, neon pink, and metallic gold are dominating the runways. These colors are perfect for making a statement at parties or formal events. Unique textures and materials, transparent designs, PVC and acrylic are back, giving stilettos are a futuristic and easy look. Sustainable leather, eco-friendly options like plant-based leather are trending. Comfort meets style. For 2025, many brands are focusing on comfort without compromising on style. Expect to see more padded sole and adjustable straps. Embellishment stilettos are getting a luxury makeover with intricate embellishments such as pearls, crystals, and metallic studs. Moving on to moles, the ultimate combination of comfort and style. These slap-on beauties are a must-have for every fashion enthusiast. In 2025, the rise of black-heeled moles are perfect for day-long wear. They offer a chic look while being practical for walking or working. Square 2 designs, Square 2 molds are making a huge comeback. Their geometric shape adds a modern twist to any outfit. Pastel hues and neutral tones, soft colors like lavender beige and blush pink are dominating mold designs, making them versatile for any wardrobe. Textures and patterns, animal print like leopard and snake are trendy. Woven and braided patterns bring a bohemian vibe to your look. Now, no footwear collection is complete without sandals. In 2025, sandals are all about blending functionality with high fashion. Flat sandals with glamorous details, flat sandals with glittering straps, rhinestones, and metallic finishes are perfect for casual outings and beach parties. Platform are making a grand return. These sandals add height and a retro vibe to your ensembles. Gladiator sandals, from knee-high designs to ankle-length styles, gladiator sandals are a major trend for summer 2025. Sporty sandals, thinky sporty yet fashionable brands are introducing sandals with bold straps, chunky soles, and neon accents. 2025 is all about innovations. Let's explore some overarching trends in shoe designs this year's. Sustainability, eco-conscious footwear is at the forefront. Designers are using recycled materials, biodegradable sole, and cruelty-free leather Teach integrated shoes. Some brands are experimenting with teach integrated footwear like self adjusting straps and built in cooling systems. Customizable options. Personalization is key. Many brands are offering customizable designs where you can choose colors, materials, and even engrave initials. The right footwear can transform your entry outfit. Here are some styling tips for 2025. Stiletto heels. Wear bold stilettos with minimalistic outfits to let the shoes shine. Try mixing metallic stilettos with formal dresses for evening events. Moles. Team natural mole with vibrant dresses for a balanced look. Opt for embellished moles to elevate casual outfits. Sandals. Flat sandals work great with flowy maxi dress or denim shorts. Gladiator sandals can add an edge to summer dresses. Understood. Here are starting outlines for your. The journey of stilettos from the 1950s to now, iconic moments in fashion history featuring stilettos, trending designs for 2025, vibrant colors, embellishments, and futuristic materials, brands leading the 2025 stilettos trends, pairing stilettos with formal and casual outfits, foot care tips for comfort, red carpet looks and high profile and endorsements. Versatile of sandals, formal casual flats to heeled sandals for formal events. Top 2025 trends, bohemian weaves, metallic accents, and eco-friendly designs. Choosing the right sandals for your feet is sessional sandal styling, popular Instagram accents and styling ideas. Comfort meets styles in 2025, fashion tips for moles, perfect outfits in highlight moles, day to night transitions, spotlight on designers, emerging brands, revolutionizing mole designs, inviting viewers to share their creative ways for styling shoes. Common questions answered like maintain storage and carry. Stay tuned to fashion. Thank you for joining us on this journey through 2025 most exciting footwear trends. Whether you are looking to upgrade your wardrobe or simply love staying ahead of the fashion curve, we hope this guide inspire you. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Fashion Forward for more in-depth fashion content. See you in the next video. Let me know if you want